Hi friends, this is Rajesh Singh and you are watching Ayansh Tutorials. In the English language, every word is called a part of speech. The role a word plays in a sentence denotes what part of speech it belongs to. Explore the definitions of parts of speech, the different parts of speech and examples in this video. The contents of this video are what is a part of speech, parts of speech, definitions, different parts of speech with examples, sentences, examples for the 8 parts of speech. What is a part of speech? Parts of speech are among the first grammar topic we learn when we are in school or when we start our English language learning process. Parts of speech can be defined as words that perform different roles in a sentence. Some parts of speech can perform the functions of other parts of speech too. The Oxford Learner's Dictionary defines parts of speech as one of the classes into which words are divided according to their grammar, such as noun, verb, adjective, etc. The Cambridge Dictionary also gives us similar definitions. One of the grammatical groups into which words are divided, such as noun, verb, and adjective. Parts of speech include noun, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, preposition, conjunctions, and interjections. 8 parts of speech, definitions, and examples. Nouns are words that are used to name people, places, animals, ideas, and things. Nouns can be classified into 2 main categories: common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are generic like ball, car, stick, etc. And proper nouns are more specific like Ayansh, Karan, the parliament, the sun, etc. Pronouns are words that are used to substitute a noun in a sentence. There are different types of pronouns. Some of them are reflexive pronouns, possessive pronouns, relative pronouns, and indefinite pronouns. I, he, she, it, them, his, yours, anyone, nobody, who, etc. are examples of pronouns. Verbs are words that denote an action that is being performed by the noun or the subject in a sentence. Verbs are also called action words. Some examples of verbs are speak, bring, teach, ask, etc. Adverbs are words that is used to provide more information about verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs used in a sentence. There are mainly 5 types of adverbs, namely adverbs of manners, adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of time, and adverbs of place. Some examples of adverbs are today, quickly, randomly, early, 10 am, etc. Adjectives are words that is used to describe or provide more information about the noun or the subject in a sentence. Some examples of adjectives include beautiful, late, quick, early, etc. Prepositions are words that are used to link one part of sentence to another. Prepositions show the positions of the object or subject in a sentence. Some examples of prepositions are between, among, under, beneath, etc. Conjunctions are a part of speech that is used to connect 2 parts of a sentence, clauses and phrases. Some examples of connectors are and, or, for, yet, although, both, not only, etc. Interjections are words that are used to convey strong feelings and emotions. Some examples of interjections are oh, wow, hooray, alas, etc. It is always followed by an exclamation mark. Sentences examples for the 8 parts of speech. Now, there is a book on the table. Book is noun. Pronouns. We are playing cricket right now. In the sentence, we are pronouns. You have broken the cup. Broken is here verb. Adverbs. She runs quickly. Quickly is here adverb. Adjective. Nancy is a beautiful girl. Beautiful is here an adjective. Prepositions. The teacher is sitting among the students. Among is here preposition. Conjunctions. Megha and Neha are cousins. And is here connectors or conjunctions. Interjections. Hooray! We have won the match. Thank you friends for watching this video. See you again. Bye.